Hello there, and welcome back to International Fathers. I'm your host and your creator, Nelson L. Moody Sr. We have progressed in our knowledge of information that one day will be wisdom in reference to a father seeking custody of his child or children in the judicial system. And I tell you, it is very rewarding when you can do it on your own. You save lots of cash, money, or finances, whichever word you choose to use. But getting right down to business here, we're talking about the actual case. You have all your paperwork together. It's been already submitted to the court. Your docket number's on there. It's been dated. It's been stamped. You're waiting for that very important day where you say to yourself, wow, I made it this far representing myself in court. And as I said before, an attorney or a judge, because they're school trained, will try to intimidate you. Don't let it happen, because now you know a lot of terms that they use in court. And for the most part of it, a lot of it is common sense. Common sense and the law should go hand in hand. Unfortunately, it don't. Well, here we go. The case, as I said before, you will have people coming in and testifying and speaking about what they believe was best for a child or children. And some judge will listen to it. Judge don't know you from Adam. And from what he or she is hearing, is supposed to come up with the best remedy, the best solution, and the best answers and decisions for what's presented to him or her. Again, they take an oath to judge a case fairly. This is how your paperwork could look. Again, I said that the court in which you live in, the city, if you had the Circuit Court of Maryland, 1414 Marsway Street, room 244, Maryland 00024. The address of the courthouse at the top of it. You have your case number, as I said before in previous videos, 000-00D-001. And you have Mike L. Cucumber Sr. at 123 Neptune Circle, Maryland 00001. Proper person. And remember, proper person means he's representing himself. And he is the plaintiff. He is the one who filed paperwork. He is the one who will bring in suit or judgment against someone. Denise S. Asparagus, 321 Saturn Place, Circle, Maryland 0007. She's a defendant in this case. Paul E. Cabbage, 4211 Mars Solar Street, Suite 214, Circle, Maryland 00018. He is the attorney for the defendant. This is how your paperwork could look. Everything I talked about in previous videos is right here, and you are looking at it. Making sure that your I's are dotted and your T's are crossed. Amazing piece of work you have done. Impressive. And all you have to do is talk their talk. Speak on their level. Slowly, confidence, and with clarity. And if anything, you should be complimented. Plaintiff, defendant. Mike L. Cucumber Sr., Denise S. Asparagus. Paul E. Cabbage, your attorney. He is the one that's going to get financial dollars from Miss Asparagus. While Mike L. Cucumber get to save all this money. Mr. Cucumber also has the privilege of asking Miss Asparagus questions. He also has direct conversation with the judge, just as Paul E. Cabbage, the attorney, does. What a way to go. Direct contact with the judge. The middleman is taken out of there. Yes, he is. A father's self-representation. Hosea 4 and 6. Eliminating the middleman, the attorney. That's what you do representing yourself. Cut him out. There's no need for him to even be around. This is your case. And in that paperwork, there's something saying that therefore you are here for this and for that. You specify certain things. And in this case it would be, now comes the time where the plaintiff, Mr. Cucumber, and Miss Asparagus, they had 3 minor children. They all named in the petition. And therefore the plaintiff, which is Mr. Cucumber, requests that the minor children, their date of birth, be placed in his physical custody. We went over physical custody in previous videos. That means where the children will live. That he and Miss Asparagus have joint custody of the minor children, which means that they make all the decisions jointly. He don't make all of them, and she don't make all of them. They decide on everything from school to health, extra programs, extra schooling. Is jointly. That each party be abreast of everything in reference to the children's education and medical needs concerning them. That the parties already have a visitation schedule in effect that works well with both parties to stay in place. These things they already brought to the table and already talked about. So there's no need for no judge, no master, to go against what is already requested of, especially if the two parties already worked and resolved their issues out. And they're just there for the sake of getting something documented. Somebody who don't know the children and don't know you from Adam. That both parties wish to waive child support. That the plaintiff be awarded any and all further relief thereof. Meaning that the defendant's attorney pay the legal fees. Everything is already written out. All the judge got to do is stamp it. Two parties that get along great together for the sake of their children. And that's what it's all about. Not no arguing, fussing, and bickering. Because your children are watching how you respond. That son is watching how his father treats his mother. That daughter is watching their father how he treats her mother. That son is watching his mother how he treats his father. That daughter is watching that mother to see how she treats her father. If everybody just get along, the children will say, my parents live in different households, but they get along for the sake of us. They communicate for the sake of us. They talk for the sake of us. And all the way around, your children will turn out just fine. The flip side of the visitation schedule is when a judge dictating when you should see your child or children. It's something that's already in place that you and the opposing side already agreed upon. It should run smoothly. However, it may not. To that married father who was filing for custody of his child or children, there's some more things added on there. Property, cars, bank accounts. But you can also maneuver your way through that too and navigate through the system the same way as before, with not too much problem, because you have the knowledge, the intelligence that will produce the wisdom necessary for you to represent yourself in court for custody of your child or children. It's all brought to you. You can order my book and books at authorhouse.com, Barnes & Nobles, Borders, Amazon, eBay, or wherever books are sold. You can log onto my website for more information. www.nelsonlmoodysenior.info. That's NELSONLMOODYSR.info. INF. Once again, this is International Fathers. I am your host and your creator, Nelson L. Moody Sr. And you're in the Nelson L. Moody Sr. Studios. And once again, fathers, call those children. Children, call those fathers. Fathers, hug those children. Hug them, hug them, hug them. Hug those children. And children, mm, 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 mm. Hug those fathers. Hug them. Until next time.